We're going to do a quick overview on the new GE Profile all-in-one washer-dryer combination. What's nice about this piece is that it's a 4.8 cubic foot washer and dryer. So when you put your clothes in, select your cycle, have your detergent or fabric softener put in, you're going to be able to do a load of laundry all at one time. From start to finish, it's going to take about 2 hours. Now, as we look at this soap cup really quick, what's cool is it has the smart dispense feature that most GE front loaders offer. So what you're going to find is that you're going to load this up and it's going to dispense the amount of detergent as needed. Below there's a fabric softener cup, so you can select putting fabric softener in here or not putting it in. And then our lint filter is right here on the side for the dryer. What's nice about this is it has the traditional lint filter on this side, and then there's like a foam micro mesh that'll capture smaller particles to prevent it from going into the heat pump option on the dryer. Now, who this machine's for? This machine is for somebody that is space limited. So you may not have the height to put a separate dryer, you may not have the width for a separate dryer, or you want to use this as a secondary system, either in a closet, off the bathroom, or you just don't have the ability to vent outside. This is a ventless system that uses heat pump technology, which is very, very efficient in drying your clothes. It is going to take up, as I said, not a lot of width. It is a little deeper machine because this is a 4.8 cubic foot machine. So you have to watch on your depth as to where this is going. But this is for somebody that is space limited, that may want a bigger capacity machine, but again, don't have the ability to vent or don't have the ability to put another machine side by side. This is going to cost about as much as a ventless washer and dryer system combined. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But it is an ideal piece for somebody that, as I said, does want that space-limited machine. Who this is not for, if you have a large family and you're only getting one of these, you're probably not going to like it because from start to finish, it's going to be a 2-hour machine. So when you put your clothes in, run the load, and then wait for it to dry, it's going to be 2 hours. So you may experience laundry bottlenecking. You're not going to be able to load another separate washer as the dryer is drying. So if you are a family and you have the ability to get 2 of these, that would be the ideal thing. You can put 2 of these side by side, and then you'll have the best of both worlds. You can do 2 loads at one time, and then they'll go right into drying, so you don't have to pull those clothes out of the washer and put them into the dryer. If you have any questions about this, please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. But also go to donsappliances.com. These are in stock, ready to go at our greater Pittsburgh, Erie, Morgantown locations. Thank you for watching.